viewers. I hope all of you are doing good. Welcome to your local bookkeeper, accountant, and tax advisor. If you are new to channel, welcome, and if you have already subscribed to channel, then welcome back. So, as we are doing a session about how to get started with Xero, and in my previous video, I have already explained about how to import bank transactions by using manual import through CSV file, and also how to do conversion balances, and then how to lock the tax financial periods. And we just gone through a little bit of overview about how Xero looks like. So if you have not watched my previous video, so please go and check it out, and I will also mention my previous videos link to the description given below. So guys, today we are going to do about how to create a sale invoice, how to create a purchase invoice, how to post a journal entry. As I have already promised you in my previous video that I will be doing this session in two portions, but what I have sensed right now that it will be further a portion into another two portions. So means I will cover rest of the bits in the next session, but today we will quickly go over through sale invoice, purchase invoice, and posting a journal entry, and I will also do a bank reconciliation by doing transactions. So let's quickly start with the how to create sale invoice. So if you hover over to this small plus sign right on the right side of the Xero, top right side of the Xero, and if you click on it, you will see a drop down list where you can see invoices, bill, contact, quote, purchase order, spend money, receive money, transfer money. So you can see different options, but right now we are focusing on how to create a sale invoice. So we click on invoice, and once you click on invoice, a new window will pop up, and where you will see different options. You have to fill out this form. This is a layout of how to create a sale invoice. So in two sections, you write down the customer name. If you don't have customer already in your list, so you can click on this little pop-up. So it will create a new customer. Let's say you have done a sale on 13th of December, and your term times are 15 days after your sale invoice issued. So if you just write on +15, and you can see the next 15 days due date. You can also enter your date, whatever is mentioned on your sale invoice according to your terms with your customers by going through the here. But if you quickly want to do, you just write down +15, it will go to next 15 days. If you want to enter +30 days, then it will go to next 30 days the due date. Okay, so the sale invoice number is Xero automatically picks up the sale invoice numbers, but if you want to customize it according to your orders, you can do it here. And the reference, whatever you want to do, let's say A type client, okay. And then in item section, before we go to item section, let's discuss about the currency. So if you're doing sales, if your business is established in UK, you are choosing GBP, or if your customers are UK based, so and they are paying you in GBP, so you can record the invoice in GBP. But you can also use different other currencies as well. You can also add new currencies from here, and Xero have integrated with XE currency exchange, so it automatically picks up the currency exchange rate from here. So let's say right now we're gonna use GBP. So click on GBP, and then in item, this is something which if you are managing your inventory in your books, and so we will cover about inventory in the next session, but right now we are focusing on how to create sale invoice. So any description, sale of kids clothes. On the general reports, a report section will come up. So this is a way how you can post a journal entry. From there you can click on add journal, add new journal, and then you can enter your adjusting entry at year end. And also if you want to do a reversal journal, for example, if you want to reverse the journal into its original position, so you can choose the date, at what date you want this journal to be reversed. So in most of the cases, because journal entries are posted at year end. So you want this journal entry to be reversed at its original position right after the year end. So you can let's say in this case, if we have choose this journal date on 31st of December, and if you want it to be reversed to its original position, so you can choose the next date, the very first day of the next year. So on the 1st of January, you will see this journal be reversed to its original position, and figures will be reflected back onto its original position. Okay, so this is something we use to adjust the balances at year end. Let's for example, to post a depreciation entry, payroll entries, and then how to adjust the balances by shifting figures from one accounting head to another accounting head. So mainly it is used for journal entries. If you want to record prepayments, if you want to record accruals, if you want to record deferred income, so that's how you can use journal entry as well to record this kind of adjusting entries. Guys, I hope all of you have liked this session. We will also one more thing, we will also go to bank account, and then we will try to record one transaction. So I show you how to match your sale invoices with your transactions. So if you have done with the posting of your sale invoices, purchase invoices for the periods, let's say for example you are doing monthly bookkeeping, and for that month, for one particular month, you have recorded all of your sale invoices, and you have also recorded your purchase invoices, and now it's time to record your bank by matching those purchase and sale invoices and other manual transactions. Let's say for example, oops, train is passing by. So let's say you want to record match this transaction with the sale invoice. You click on the match, and you will see a list of transactions. Sale invoices you have already created on Xero. You just select that, and you can also split from here, what amount you have received in this transaction. Let's say you have received £10 in this transaction, so your remaining £4 will be outstanding, and it will be reflecting in your debtor reports. So because we are going to reconcile the transaction fully, so if you click on the if you don't split, if the full invoice is received, that's fine. So because the amount which is received here is 2275, but the invoice total is £14, so rest you may have received from other customers. You can also search your outstanding customers by entering the sale invoice number here, or it will also be reflecting here in this area. But if you don't have any other outstanding invoice, and you have received this from this particular customer, and rest is from other customer for which you have not created the sale invoice, you can click on the new transaction, receive money, and then it's done. Once it's done, you just click on the reconcile, and it will be reconciled, because the total doesn't match with the transactions, so that's why it doesn't allow me to click on the reconcile. That's how you reconcile the transactions. One more thing, in the next session we will be covering how to do the batch transactions. I will show you by that how to record transactions by using your batch transaction option. It's something called cache coding. So it will be available here once I am done with the full subscription. So that's the end of the session for today. I hope you have enjoyed and you have learned many new things. So if you like my video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications for my new videos. So guys, stay safe and have a lovely rest of the time, and I'll see you in the next session then. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.